wonderful people, you are welcome to my channel. This is Masterlight TV. We are having a simple scarf tutorial with a touch of fascinator or fascinator material in this episode, and I hope you coordinate. So I got this strip from the millinery shop and it was my first time seeing it, so I purchased about 20 pieces, and I didn't know what to do, so I just came home and I wanted to do something great. I attached it to my hairpin and twisted it in this form to acquire this style. Here I was thinking about what to do with this unorganized strips I have, attached to this hair clip, I was just thinking. And this idea came into mind. I just thought of only rolling it to become a curl. This strip has a kind of wire, lighter one, in it, so it's easy to curl it. So here I just saw a transformation and I thought that it's gonna be. So let me attach it to my hair and see how great it's gonna be. So this is just an attachment or an embellishment, so let's roll on to the main course. I have this small piece of Ankara fabric of which I want to tie. It is so small that even if you are not a mogul in scarf tying, you can simply do this. So this is what I did. I have to adjust it very well to suit my style, to make it look beautiful. This style is a DIY and it's easy to make within some few minutes. That's why I will normally love DIYs. Let me adjust my embellishment to see how perfect it's gonna fit. This is the result to the very first style I made. How do you see it? This is nice. To my second style, my favorite anyway, I tie my scarf to the very front side. I adjust it properly so that it doesn't come off. Then there we go. Let's go. Let's go. Then I put on my adjustment. And that is me. Slaying with my piece of scarf with a touch of fascinating stuff in front. You can do this under 5 minutes when you already have your attachment. You can use any other attachment. You can match this with your outfit as well and use any type of fabric too. Then take it to any event of your choice, being it casual, being it church, anywhere goable. And then girly, you are on the right path. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting stuffs like this. Hit the comments section, like, and then hit the notification button, and there we go. Bye. Thanks for watching.